Welcome to Bong Cookhouse. Today I will make famous Bengali recipe called Sobji dal or vegetable dal or lentil. It's a side dish that is served hot with hot steamed rice, other rice recipes, regular bread and Indian breads like roti, luchi, puri, naan, tandoori and kulcha. It can be prepared as a day-to-day recipe or for special occasions. If you like this recipe, then subscribe to my channel for more recipes. You can also like, share, comment below. Do not forget to click the bell icon. Dry roast moong dal or yellow dal about 1 cup till some dal starts becoming brownish. Stir frequently so that the dal is uniformly roasted. Wash thoroughly, drain water, transfer it to a pressure cooker. Add water about 4 cups, turmeric powder about half teaspoon, salt half teaspoon, ginger paste 2 tablespoons, diced tomato 2 large, and green chili 2 split into 2. Mix well. Pressure cook for 10 minutes in medium to high heat or till 1 whistle. This way regular moong dal can also be made. Just skip the vegetables. While dal is cooking, heat oil about 7 tablespoons and ghee about half teaspoon. Ghee is optional. Take diced cauliflower, half of a large cauliflower, add turmeric powder half teaspoon and salt half teaspoon. Mix well. Pour into the oil. Take diced potato 1 medium, skin is peeled off. Add turmeric powder half teaspoon and salt half teaspoon. Mix well. Pour into the oil. Fry them till golden brown in medium to high heat. I have taken cauliflower and potato separately because the container was small. In the meantime, take diced carrot 1 medium, skin is peeled off, and frozen peas half cup, defrosted in microwave for 1 minute. Regular peas can also be used. Mix them with the remaining turmeric powder and salt in the container. Pour them into the frying pan. Saute all vegetables together in medium to high heat for 5 minutes. Carrot and peas are added later as they take less time to cook. We can add other vegetables like flat beans, beetroot, turnip, okra or lady's finger or any other vegetable of our choice. While the vegetables are frying, open the pressure cooker. Stir the dal with a stirrer and break the dal to make a thick dal. If done at the end, after the veggies are added, then the vegetables will break. Transfer dal to the fried vegetables. Mix well. Added water 2 cups and salt half teaspoon. Mix well. Cover with a lid and cook for 7 minutes in medium to high heat. After 7 minutes, open the lid, stir for 1 minute. Stir frequently to avoid dal and vegetables getting stuck at the bottom of the pan. Heat oil about 14 tablespoons. Add bay leaf 1, red chili 2, split into 2, phoron half teaspoon, and cumin 1 tablespoon. Saute in medium to high heat till golden brown. Pour it into the Sobji dal. Mix well. Cook for 5 minutes in high heat. This will mingle the taste of the dal and masala and give a wonderful taste. Cut a potato and cauliflower to check if they are done. Taste it. Add whatever is required. My Sobji dal is good. Serve hot with hot steamed rice or other rice recipes. Regular bread and Indian breads like roti, luchi, puri, naan, tandoori and kulcha. Serves about 6 to 7 people. Garnish with some chopped cilantro or coriander leaves and green chilies. Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. The links are given in the description box. Bye for now. Stay healthy, eat healthy and enjoy life.